In this practice, you will add a plotter configuration and then edit it to change the available paper sizes. In any drawing, start the Add Plotter wizard by clicking Manage Plotters in the application menu, Print. In the Autodesk Plotters window, Windows Explorer window with Autodesk Plotter folder opened, double-click on the Add a Plotter wizard shortcut. In the Add Plotter dialog box, Introduction page, click Next, select My Computer, and click Next again. Select the Hewlett-Packard in the manufacturing list and select DraftMaster RX Plus 7596C in the models list. Click Next. In the Prompt PCP or PC2 page of the wizard, click Next. Use the default settings for the ports. Click Next. For the plotter name, use DraftMaster followed by your initials. Click Next and finish to complete the wizard. Start the plot command. Change the plotter to the DraftMaster device that you just configured. Note the paper size that are listed. Click the properties next to the plotter name to open Plotter Configuration Editor. In the Drawing Device and Document Settings tab, under the User Defined Paper Sizes and Collaboration, select Filter Paper Sizes. Click Uncheck All to clear all of the selection sizes and select only the sizes that start with ANSI A, ANSI B, and ANSI C. Click OK. In the Changes to the Printer Configuration File dialog box, select Save Changes to the following file and accept the default to save the changes in the PC3 file for the plotter you created. Open the list of paper sizes again and note how many are available. Cancel the plot command.